Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math Parables number 1.
Math Practice number 1. Okay, so today we're starting school in Art of Problem Solving's pre-algebra book, but our book's a little bit beat up because it was your brother's book too, right?
Yes.
Maybe we'll order a new one so it's not so beat up. But they start every chapter in the book with something called the 24 game, and it's really fun. You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So what you do in the 24 game is you use plus, minus, divided, and times to try to make 24 out of these numbers.
Yeah.
So for example, we might do, 8 times 1 plus 8 minus 3. What does that equal?
8 times 1 is 8.
8 times 1 is 8.
Plus 8 is 16. Minus 3 is 13.
Okay, so this equals 13. So does that equal 24?
No.
No. Alright, well let's see if we can find a way to make this equal 24.
You could do 8 times 3. You could do 1 times 8 would be 8.
1 times 8 would be 8.
Plus 8 would be 16, plus 3 would be 19, so that doesn't work.
Good try though. Let's keep trying.
Well, we know 8 times 3 would equal 24, but what about these numbers?
Yeah, but what about the extra numbers? So we could do 8 times 3 right away. But we have two extra numbers left, and we'd have to make a 0 out of those numbers.
Well, we could do 8 plus 8 is 16. Then you'd have to plus these because 16 times 3 is too much.
Yeah, 16 times 3 is too much.
16 times 4 would be 20.
16 plus 4 would be 20.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we got close.
Got close.
Well, we've...
That's why it's a fun game. It's an interesting trick, and there's some tricks. What if we did 8 times 4?
8 times 1 plus 3. Well, 8 times 4 would be 8. 16 plus 16 is 32.
Okay, so if we did 8 times 1 plus 3, we get 32, and we have this 8 left over.
But we can subtract that.
Okay, oh, we can subtract it.
Well,
What is 32 minus 8?
It's 32 minus 4 is 28, minus 4 is 24. So we did it.
We did it! These are fun, and they can be really tricky too, by the way. So they start out every chapter with these just kind of mental math games. So this is fun. I'm excited. This is going to be a fun book. We're going to have a fun time going through it.
Yep.
You excited for this year and for your math problems videos? Alright, good job, honey. Good job.